Let me see. How's the view on YouTube? Why it's
How's the
blank?
view on? Okay,
Let me see. Yeah. Let me share. Oh, can see the live stream.
yes,
Can
it's awesome.
yeah. Okay. Let's start a live stream. Hello, everyone. It's nice to see you today.
Hello, everyone. Nice to see you all again. Today is Tuesday, 13th of September. Yes,
Yeah.
price
And
of Bitcoin.
yeah, as
Where's the price of?
usual, we will see how's the price of crypto today. Yeah.
Yes.
Crypto bubble.
It was 22,373 at the 0718 hour GMT plus 8 for BTC, and for ETH is 1711. So it's just maybe a couple of $1,000 increase. For BTC was 20,000 2 weeks ago, something like that, right? And then
Yeah.
ETH was 1,005 about 2 weeks ago. So
Yeah.
now you can say that there's some increase, but it's not as much
Yeah.
as people be. Yeah.
When I see on the screen of the crypto bubble, I see compared with the last week is increase 13%. In BTC and ETS is 6.7%. And we also can see the September 15 is a max of Ethereum. That's why the crypto is a little bit more excited than last week. Yeah, and let's continue with our title about the live stream. We would like to talk about the Ethereum Mesh could drive up institutional adoption. This one is coming from the Bank of America. Say that because uh, the max of Ethereum move to proof of work to proof of stake, and institutional investors are likely to participate with the Ethereum staking because they want to keep to stake the Ethereum to earn more, then put their asset into the other third party into the DeFi app. Because last week we can see, last month we also can see so many hack into the DeFi app. That's why when Ethereum switch chain to the proof of stake, uh, the other institutional investor they prefer to staking directly on the blockchain because last time uh, anyone have some of the coin, the other coin on many blockchain, they can stack, but they stack on the DeFi app, third party stacking. That's why it look like you give the act into the other, you give the key, the wallet key to the other to keep for you, and they generate, they keep, and they give back to you some of the interest. And now with the Ethereum proof of stake, the people they can stack directly on their blockchain. Yeah, it's also the good signal, good upgrade from Ethereum. And we also can see after the mesh, how about the Bitcoin price? What's your estimate? What you're thinking about the Bitcoin price, Mr. Nicholas?
I think for Bitcoin price, we just keep looking at the rainbow chart. I think you'll give us a very good indication.
Yeah,
But for Ethereum to do the merger, Ethereum basically I believe they are basically targeting or institutional adoption. Yeah, so that is why the switch, the move from proof of work to proof of stake, and proof of stake allows institutional investors and holders to have more flexibility, and I will believe that it gives them a higher opportunity ratings in a sense. Yeah. So you look at the BTC in this rainbow chart. Right now we are at the blue section there. Yeah. So if you scroll, if you pan out and zoom out, you see the chart moving across from few years ago until now. It basically moved up and down in between these rainbow lines. Yeah. So now we are at the blue area. So another perhaps people are expecting perhaps the end of the year or sometime early next year that the BTC price would bounce back up to a reasonable level to cross the section. Yeah, we're not too sure, but that's how it's likely going to move according to this chart. And I think it is good information for everyone to see this. And of course, you gauge your expectation through the information available like this. Yeah.
Yeah, at at this moment, when I see in the rainbow chart, we are at the basically a fire sale. This means it's so cheap. Of the it's too yeah, it's a good time to buy, and we also
Yeah.
hope it will go to the next level soon. After it's above 30,000. Yeah, and when we see, we hope it may go to the yellow or may to the orange on next year. Yeah, because if we compare with the previous year, 2014 is a peak. 2018, yeah, 2018, and now I think the next peak is around 2024.
2024.
Yeah,
That would
yeah,
be the year of the next halving, right?
yeah. That's right. It's the year of next halving. Last time I just remember you said to me about the next halving is a time for the change of president in US. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. It's easy to remember. Yeah, and then we go to the next. We back to the information about the Bitcoin price recovery after the mess. That is a question, and some of the quote say that that's what the crossover, which means that Bitcoin start to be more dominant on exchange in terms of the trading volume. Yeah, it's a
Yes.
clear sign that Bitcoin taking over the driver's seat from Ethereum. Yeah, because after Ethereum switch to the proof of work, and people on the chain they may prefer uh, some group of work, and it's now in the court say that um, this clear sign that Bitcoin taking over the driver's seat, because last time Bitcoin and Ethereum lead the market, and when the market go when the coin go down, the market also go down. Nowadays, I also can see Bitcoin and Ethereum is leading the market, because some of the project they rely on Ethereum. A lot of projects they rely on Ethereum, and after that they switch. They speak out. They go. They have their own blockchains. It's look like BNB, Binance. Previously is one of the token in Ethereum chain, and then they have their own blockchains. Yeah. And the next one, I see the news. I see the information about one of the giant investment is Fidelity. they also nowadays they allow Bitcoin trading on their platform. Yeah, this is good signal that some of the institutional they accept crypto. They accept crypto trading on their trading platform. Yeah, this information is coming from in the spirit of a short conference. Noble Glass said that a bird told me that Fidelity, a little bird in my ear, is going to shift the retail customer into the crypto soon enough. Yeah, this is look like it's a little bird saying, and he just shared to us on the news on the report. Yeah, and and I also received news about the Starbucks. They have the NFT base. Yeah, they link with the Polygon, and they release NFT. And Mr. Nicholas, could you share more information to us about this news about?
Right. I think a couple of weeks or some time ago, we began to look at the trend of how companies are moving towards using blockchain to their advantage to propel their business forward. Yeah. So here you see that Starbucks is actually adopting this NFT-based loyalty program. You see, even
Yeah,
loyalty program now they are going into blockchain as well, which
yeah,
means see how powerful blockchain is. A couple of years, I think about 2 years or 3 years back, we look at how much thing blockchain can offer, what kind of things uh, uh, companies can use blockchain for, and loyalty program is one of them. And now we are seeing that. So and in the form of non-fungible token. So this loyalty program is now where is the share screen?
yeah,
Right. So it allows customers to purchase and earn digital collectible stamps. Well, yeah. So each time you go to not just Starbucks but any other uh, coffee places or F&B places, uh, establishments, you see them giving you this card, and then I think kids will love it. They just keep stamps. There's a few squares there. You just keep stamping, and then perhaps after that you collect something, free drink or something like that. Yeah.
yeah,
So things like this has move on into blockchain. Yeah. So and I think seeing Starbucks doing this, I think a lot of other other coffee or F&B establishment may want to do the same thing. Yeah. Yeah. So and one thing to note that because this blockchain technology that is provided by Polygon, it is built on proof of stake network that sits on Ethereum. Just a moment ago, Mr. Richard mentioned something about Ethereum and proof of stakes, right? Yeah.
yeah,
So this is it. Things are moving forward so fast and so quick. I think half of the world is still thinking whether blockchain is a good thing, but people are already moving on into it. Yeah. So while the other half of the world are enjoying all the benefits, I mean, let everyone come on and enjoy the benefit blockchain can bring to you. Yeah. Okay. So let's move on to the next one. You have any ideas for this, Mr. Richard?
yeah. I also agree with the Starbucks because last time we go to Starbucks, we drink a lot, but we did not receive any NFT, and we also yeah, and uh, and now we hope Starbucks have this program. This will
Yeah.
encourage more and
And
more.
yeah, and
Uh,
Mr. Richard loves to go to Starbucks.
and then uh, that means the customer will enjoy much there and discuss more ask Starbucks about the NFT technologies, the thing, because last time we go to the Starbucks, and in the Starbucks coffee shop, everyone discuss about the blockchain technology, NFT, the thing. Now it look like the coffee shop is a digital hub. It's a blockchain hub for some people go and discuss about the technology. Yeah, it's a good thing to see that, and in the future I hope to see more and more people will go there and discuss about the blockchain um, uh, as normal, because I just remember 5 or 10 years ago, I go to the coffee shop, we discuss about the blockchain or some token and NFT. We must say quite widely, because some people are thinking that it's illegal. Yeah, it's nonsense
Yeah,
because
yeah.
it's not illegal. Yeah, and a lot of people are thinking that, oh, don't say Bitcoin in the public because it's illegal. No, not of course not, because we discussed about the technology. We discussed about some innovation. Yeah, some technology, some blockchain. This will change the world. It's not an illegal thing, but some of the people with the look like the classical people thinking that, oh, it's not good, but in their eye thinking it's not good, because from the beginning some of the institutional, some of the company, they want blockchain, Bitcoin not grow, because it will hurt um, their business. Yeah, but of course with the good thing, with the good thing grow up, the society, everyone will accept it. Yeah, with the traditional way of transaction, like cash or some normal thing. Look like now, if you go out for Wonderground, you usually take a cab, and now you can use the Grab or Uber to travel.
Yes.
It's one of the uh, digital way. It's a fast way for you to book your vehicle. And now next we go next to the KPMG. Yes, it's a good it's a so familiar name,
Yeah.
KPMG. Yeah, yeah,
Everyone knows Starbucks. Everyone knows KPMG, and these are the
yeah,
people that are being positive over blockchain technology. Yeah. So
yeah,
okay, in the last, now we are in September,
yeah,
in the
yeah,
last 9 months. In the last
yeah.
nine
Last,
months, we see that wow, cryptocurrency has been going up and down, more of down than up. Yeah, but the thing
yeah,
is that such a rough patch for cryptocurrency in 2022, but technology, the blockchain
yeah,
technology is still expected to thrive moving forward. Yeah. So,
yeah,
well, according to KPMG, the what's the thing?
yeah,
According to KPMG, um, this crypto market, of course, definitely, this is what we have felt as well. The market will continue to face a lot of challenges in terms of the crypto market, but the crypto blockchain investments will increasingly focus on infrastructure, and I think this
yeah,
is pretty evident. We have seen quite a number of developments in this area as well. So, of course, while investment in cryptocurrency is kind of a slowdown, when the price is not moving fast enough, or not moving higher enough, it will definitely slow down. But there will be continued focus on the use of blockchain in the financial market modernization. Actually, it is already happening. It is, but it continue to happen. You look at how even in Singapore, we use the bank mobile app. Uh, they are offering, or rather, they are using blockchain and a lot of all this blockchain related technology. And I think this thing will continue to move forward, and expand in a wider area down the road. Yeah, so more and more banks are going to come in and say, oh, we are going to use blockchain for this particular area of our business or that particular area of our business. And at the end of the day, very likely is blockchain is going to be used in a majority part of their business. Yeah. So with the wide array of use, blockchain can be expected to become more and more prevalent in more and more countries. Very sure. Yeah, very sure about it. What do you think, Mr. Richard?
Yeah, I remember last time KPMG they also add the Bitcoin Ethereum um, in their uh, in their accounting sheet. I
Yeah,
remember
hopefully, right?
KPMG of Canada. Yeah,
Yeah,
and now it's also the another information from KPMG. They want focus on the crypto infrastructure, and they want to spread the blockchain technology. Technology, yeah, is also the good signal. It's a good news to let us to see that the institutional, the big wave, yeah, they are thinking, they see, when the market is going down, the market is going down, and they after they accumulate enough crypto, now it's a time for them to bump up the price, to say that on the good thing about the crypto and blockchains. Yeah, and it's last a few years ago, a lot of bank, a lot of financial institutional, they say that, oh, blockchain is not good, Bitcoin is not good, and now they have the 180-degree turn. They say that yeah, it's after the max of Ethereum. They say, yeah, uh, institutional investors are more likely to get more and more crypto, and and now I also received two slide, a little two slide talk about how blockchain technology is changing the way people invest. Yeah, this is one of the quote from the Jeremy Musiki, the head of the head growth at balancer. This one is one of DeFi, um, look like the exchange, and they say, and he say that yeah, crypto investor have access to level of transparency. Yeah, nowadays the people they trade the crypto, Bitcoin, they have the transparency, and they of course they need to do the KYC. They need to prove that they are the real person, the real people to trade, to buy crypto. It's also similar with the stock. If you buy and trade stock, but the way you trade, the way you do is look like faster, modern, and easier than stock, because this one is 24/7. There's no time to sleep, no time to sleep. If you trade in traditional way, you need to rely on the the time zone, the market, and sometimes you have a delay when you buy or sell some of the asset. And uh, in the in the slide, in the article, I find information about um, they share how people can earn in the in blockchain technology. Uh, they also list that some of they earn from IDO, some of the airdrop, some of the NFT drop. Yeah, also it's a way for people to earn and get more and more money from the blockchain technology. And nowadays, I think I see it's a time for the NFT way. And the last slide I want to share to our audience is about some concern about the people. They worry, they thinking about the quantum computing. It's a threat to the crypto. Yet it's a threat to crypto, but it's not. It's a long way to go because the threat is may take a lot of time. And now I see the JP Morgan and Toshiba have teamed up to develop the quantum key distribution. uh, QKD is a solution that can they claim to be the quantum resistant. Yeah. With the quantum computing, they also claim that they can resolve the address, some of the crypto address, and get back the key. And yet, when they can reveal the key, that means the address with the amount of access will be revealed, and the owner of the wallet will lose the key. Yeah, that's the theory of the quantum computing say that. But nowadays, technology will come up, and it's a long way to go. Yeah, that's why uh, it's a long run in the business in with the crypto uh, uh, with the blockchain technology, and we also can be optimistic in the technology. And now I also think it's a time for us to complete our live stream. It's early morning. We also to sum up with our live stream. Um, yeah, it's about the Ethereum Max next today on the September
Yeah.
15, and a lot of big boss, a lot of banks observe, and they hope that after Ethereum mesh, they can have some benefits in this thing. Yeah, and we also hope the market will recover. Bitcoin will come back to 30,000, and it can reach the news ATH soon. Yeah, Mr. Nicholas and I, and yeah, Mr. Nicholas.
Yeah. Right. So thank you all for joining us in this morning's live streaming. Right. So for all of you who are investing in alternative coins, do read up on the information available. Yeah. So for Bitcoin, yeah, you can see that the prices are still kind of like taking its time to move. Yeah. But of course, there's always some money to be made. Yeah. Do trade cautiously, and of course read out on information available. Yeah, so I hope you guys make some good
Yeah,
money.
yeah. Okay, so see you in our next live stream, and all the best to our crypto traders. Yeah, see you.